Hello students, welcome to Detail Chronicles by Abhiram IAS Academy. So, ee roju Detail Chronicles start chese kante mundu, I have an important news for you. Abhiram IAS Academy has started basic NCERT classes and the course fees is only for 99 rupees. Evaraina sare conceptual clarity lekapoyina sare మెయిన్స్ ఆన్సర్ రైటింగ్ ఎలా రాయాలి అని అర్థం కాకపోయినా సరే, ఇఫ్ యూ నీడ్ మెంటర్షిప్ గైడెన్స్, ప్లీజ్ డు విజిట్ అభిరామ్ ఐఏఎస్ అకాడమీ. we're always there to help the students. Thank you. Now I'll be starting the current affairs topic. That is basically India have been ranked 99th rank in SDG index, and this is the first time where India is in top 100. Clear? So that is the news of today's. So ఈరోజు డీటెయిల్ క్రానికల్ ఏంటి అంటే, ఇండియా ఎంటర్స్ టాప్ 100 in global sustainable development goals, that is SDG goals ranking for the first time. So this is the first time India entering in the top 100 position. క్లియర్? సో ఈ రోజు మనం ఏం నేర్చుకుందాము అంటే, ఈ ఎస్డిజి గోల్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఎస్డిజి గోల్స్ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాయి, ఇంతకుముందు మిలీనియం డెవలప్మెంట్ గోల్స్ అనేవి ఉండేవి. సో ఆ మిలీనియం డెవలప్మెంట్ గోల్స్ ని రీప్లేస్ చేస్తూ how did SDGs come into the picture and how like SDG ఇండియా ఇండెక్స్ అని కూడా ఉంటుంది, అది ఎవరు రిలీజ్ చేస్తారు ఏంటి అనేది క్లియర్గా ఈరోజు డీటెయిల్గా తెలుసుకుందాము. డన్? సో బిఫోర్ స్టార్టింగ్ డీటెయిల్, లెట్స్ సీ ద ర్యాంకింగ్స్ ఫస్ట్. సో ఇండియా హ్యాస్ సెక్యూర్డ్, యాజ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ, India secured top 100 position, that is India is now in 99th position, where this is the first time India is standing in top 100. Clear? And further, if we see the rankings, so India's SDG score is 67, where the global rank is 99, and China's position, and China rank is 49th rank, scoring 74.4. Clear? And further, US rank ekkadundi ante 44th. Then you may get doubt. See, the top 11 countries are in down places. That is, if you see, India is 99, China is in 49th rank, United States is 44th rank. Mari first 2-3 countries ever unnaru, top lo ever unnaru ante Nordic countries. That is Finland. Okay. That is Finland, Sweden, Denmark. Ivi top 3 countries. These are the Nordic countries. If you see here, Norway, Sweden, Finland. These are Nordic countries. Ivi first 3 position ni hold chestunnai. Clear? Mari ee SDG goals eppudu start ayyayi, asalu any types of SDG goals unnavi chuddam. So SDG goals have been started in the year of 1987. Clear? And a commission తీసుకొచ్చింది బ్రూట్లాండ్ కమిషన్. రిమెంబర్ దిస్, బ్రూట్లాండ్ కమిషన్ రిపోర్ట్. అకార్డింగ్ టు బ్రూట్లాండ్ కమిషన్ రిపోర్ట్, SDG గోల్స్ అనేవి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాయి ఇన్ ద ఇయర్ 1987, such that there are 17 SDG goals. There are 17 SDG goals. సో మనం ఎప్పుడైనా మెయిన్స్ ఆన్సర్ రైటింగ్ లో ఇంట్రడక్షన్ పార్ట్ అయినా సరే, బాడీ పార్ట్ అయినా సరే, కంక్లూజన్ పార్ట్ లో అయినా సరే, పావర్టీ రిలేటెడ్ SDG ఇండెక్స్ ఏంటి, inequality, gender inequality related SDG index enti, such that if you write, you will fetch more marks. Clear? And even you can use in essays also. Done? Okay. So mari asali sustainable development goals ante enti, in the name itself you can see something related to development. Mari ee vishayalalo development kavali with respect to food, that is to avoid hunger valla పావర్టీ వల్ల హంగర్ వస్తుంది. హంగర్ ఉంటే ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ ఉంటవి, జెండర్ ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ అనేవి ఉంటవి. సో ఇవన్నీ ప్రాపర్ గా డెవలప్ చేయడానికి కోసమే సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ గోల్స్ అనేవి స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. ఇంతకు ముందు మిలీనియం డెవలప్మెంట్ గోల్స్ అనేవి ఉండేవి. సో ఆల్ ద కంట్రీస్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ accepted this sustainable development goals for up to the year of 2030, till the year of 2030. And these sustainable goals, there is a definition for this. I'll tell you once. So the concept of sustainable development was described by 1987 by the Brundtland Commission, where it is telling that development that meets the needs of present without compromising the future. So the development goals are meeting present without compromising our future generations. As quoted by Barack Obama, he has been told that our generation should be the first generation to tackle climate change and last generation to tackle this climate change. And Barack Obama has been given a statement. So based on the, you can use that statement also in your answers with respect to the climate change and sustainable development goals. Done. So Brundtland Commission has been told SDG development goals as development that meets the future sustainability that meets the present sustainability without compromising the future generations. Clear? So, and also these sustainable development goals objectives enti ante first is economic growth, social inclusion and environmental protection. Clear? Once let's see the 17 SDG goals. So these are the 17 SDG goals, starting from poverty to the partnerships for the goals. Clear? Okasari ee 17 SDG goals ni chuddamo. So first one is no poverty, second one is zero hunger, third one is good health and well-being. See, if you see first four, poverty which is leading to hunger which is leading to lack of education will definitely lead to poor quality education. So first four you can remember like this: no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, and fourth one is quality education. Fifth and 10th ko vachesariki inequality and equality based. So fifth one is gender equality. So fifth one is gender equality and 10th one is reduced inequalities. So first one is no poverty, second one is zero hunger, third one is health and well-being, fourth is quality education, fifth is gender equality. Sixth, seventh age chuddam okkasari. Sixth is clean water, clean energy, tarvata decent work. Ninth one vachesariki industries, innovation and infrastructure, that is tribalise. So 10th variki gurtuntayi kada. Ippudu 11th is with respect to sustainable cities and communities. Responsible consumption and production is 12th one. 13th here is environment related, that is climate action. SDG 13 is with respect to the climate action. Remember this when you're writing environment answers. 14th vachesariki life below the water. 15th vachesariki life on land. 16th vachesariki peace ni promote chestadi. Complete 7th is like partnerships for the goals, that is all the countries coming together and being partnerized for implementing these all goals. So these are the 17 goals you have to remember while writing your answer, where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are very much important, and further 13, 14, 15 are also very much of important. Clear? So eppudaina mains answer rasitappudu ee SDG goals ni include cheste you will fetch more marks. Done? So rankings చూసాము, India's position చూసాము, top 3 countries చూసాము. Now further detailed గా SDGs ఒకసారి చూద్దాము. So in 2015 the United Nations have been agreed a new document. Our document is nothing but here transforming our world 2030 agenda for sustainable development, where this is including 17 goals and you have to implement this by 2030. You have to meet their expectations by the year of 2030 with 169 targets. Done? So SDGs are universal, accepted by everyone. Every United Nation have been accepted this. Clear? So ఇప్పుడు what does need for SDGs? SDGs need, if you see the SDG needs, the whole universe or the whole world, if you take, it is suffering from poverty, economical issues. అందుకే కదా ట్రేడ్ వార్స్ జరుగుతున్నవి. ఎకనామిక్ ఇష్యూస్, gender inequality, climate change. ఇవన్నిటిని డెవలప్ చేయడానికి తీసుకొచ్చింది ఈ సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ గోల్స్. సి యూ మే ఫీల్ దట్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇస్ వెరీ సింపుల్, కానీ రాయాలనుకున్నప్పుడు మాత్రం చాలా కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. సో యూటిలైజ్ దిస్ video and you will able to write a good answer. So further, addressing global challenges, these are the challenges, and focusing on the human rights. That is, SDGs place stronger emphasis on human rights, inclusivity, and universal application, unlike your Millennium Development Goals. Further. So SDG in India, SDG index India could istundi, SDG India index అని చెప్పేసి ఆ SDG India index ఎవరు ఇస్తారు అంటే నీతి ఆయోగ్. నీతి ఆయోగ్ will release SDG India index report. Clear? So the implementation of SDGs in India is led by the Niti Aayog, which tracks progress through SDG India index covering 16 goals and 113 indicators. ఇది అవసరం లేదు, కానీ ఎగ్జామ్లో ఏమడుగుతారు అంటే SDG India index report will be released by whom అన్నప్పుడు Niti Aayog is releasing it. Remember this. And also, see, if you see the India's overall SDG score, it has been improving, and that is why the result is India is standing in top 100 position. That is, India has been secured 99th position for the very first time. Top 100 lo undadam, it is very first time. Rank enti 99 rank. Clear? Remember this. So, if you see the SDGs where India is developing is no poverty, decent work. In decent work ki aim help చేస్తుంది. Which scheme is helping this? Manrega scheme. Manrega scheme. Climate action. Many climate actions we are taking in India. Many laws, environmental laws we are implementing. And SDG 15, that is life on land. E4 dantlo India is upscaling. SDG 1, SDG 8, SDG 13, SDG 15. See, again I'm stressing you, అంటే మెయిన్స్ ఆన్సర్ రాసేటప్పుడు ఏ ఆన్సర్ రాసేటప్పుడు అయినా సరే యూజ్ దిస్ ఎస్డిజీస్ సచ్ దట్ మీకు మంచి మార్క్స్ అనేవి వస్తాయి డెఫినెట్గా. డన్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ లెట్స్ సీ సర్టన్ స్కీమ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ హెల్పింగ్ టు ప్రమోట్ దీస్ ఎస్డిజీస్. See, Ayushman Bharat, which is helping in your poverty and which is helping in your health also. Clear? So, Ayushman Bharat is the world's largest healthcare program. I am repeating it again. Ayushman Bharat is the world's largest healthcare program which was launched in the year 2018. Since 2018, Ayushman Bharat is helping us to promote our sustainable development goals. Further, Jal Jeevan Mission with respect to water, clean water, Ujjwala Yojana, that is clean energy, LPG connections for poor families, Swachh Bharat Mission, and also Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana for affordable housing. ఈ స్కీమ్సే కాకుండా చాలా స్కీమ్స్ ఉన్నవి ఇంకా వేర్ ఇండియా ఇస్ ప్రమోటింగ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఫర్ ద సస్టైనబుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ గోల్స్. క్లియర్? సో ఇది ఈరోజు డీటెయిల్ క్రానికల్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు Abhiram IAS YouTube channel for further more such detailed chronicles. Thank you.